Dear friends, we were talking about Upanishads, and now let us start with the first part. That is, there are three things here. One is Asatoma Sadgamaya, second line is Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, and third line is Mrityurma Amritamgamaya. Let us start with Asatoma Sadgamaya. Asat is untruth or unreal. From unreal to real, Asatoma Sadgamaya. From untruth to truth. So, what is untruth and what is truth? So, we are living with a false notion. That false notion is untruth or unreal. What is the false notion which we have? Our false notion is that we are the body. That's the false notion. And the reality is not, we are not the body, we are the soul. Our body is the instrument of the soul. So, we don't realize that we are the instrument of the soul. So, if we realize that we are the instrument of the soul, we consider ourselves as instrument. So instrument cannot be the master. So we are not the masters, we are the servants. We are the servants of the soul, and soul is our master. And when we realize that soul is the master, then we can work according to the soul. And when we try to realize the soul, we find out that there are two souls which we have. One is the individual soul, another is the universal soul. Individual soul, we can compare it with the wave in the ocean, and the universal soul as the ocean. So we are actually a wave in the ocean, and we have to realize we are the ocean only. How we can realize that we are the ocean only? The wave stands for our vasanas, our instincts. So each of us are working with our own instincts. So when we are free from all our instincts, there are three types of instincts a person has. One is an instinct connected with the body, bodily instinct. Another is an instinct connected with the world, that is worldly instinct. A third is an instinct connected with shastras or knowledge. So we are victims of body, we are victims of the world, we are victims of shastra or knowledge. So our instinct stands for bodily instincts, worldly instinct, and instincts based on knowledge. See, these are the three instincts and that make us our entity. So when we free ourselves from all the three instincts, then we merge with the ocean. How can we free ourselves from all these three instincts? That is, we are now the product of these instincts, and what we have is a body consciousness. We can release the body consciousness by doing nishkama karma, or in other words, we surrender all our karmas to the Lord. When we surrender all our karmas to the Lord, we become free. So that is called nishkama karma, a karma without any desire. So we reach a stage of desirelessness, and because of that desirelessness, what happens? Our action becomes free. When we do free action, that means our action has no desire. That means we don't have any desire regarding an action. Without desire, we do an action, and we are submitting our action to the Lord, or surrendering our action to the Lord. So when we surrender all our actions to the Lord, we are free from all our desires. When we reach a stage of zero desire, the result is we know how to be in communion with our real soul. When we are in communion with the real soul, the wave is turned to the ocean, and we become oceanic, because we are turning ourselves to ocean instead of a wave. We are not waves, we are ocean only. That is our realization. That is from Sat to Asat, from Asat to Sat. Asat is our feeling of a wave, and Sat is the feeling of the ocean. From the first feeling, that is the feeling of the wave, and the second feeling is feeling of the ocean. So let our feeling be oceanic. Like that way we can reach from Asat to Sat. Thank you very much.